Homezonline always try to bring different style home designs in front of you. Today we are come up with an amazing home tour. It is a modern and trending independent house design. This opulent home has 4 bedrooms. Spacious porch is designed at the right side of the home. The exterior work is done very uniquely. Different styled caddies used to decorate most area of the exterior wall. Lanyard set up with concrete blocks and green lawn. Vast spaced open sit-out is designed here. Seating arrangements adds charm to the sit-out. As we step inside, we are greeted by a stylishly furnished and beautifully designed sitting room. The color combination used in this area gives an attractive look. Stylish hanging bulbs are used to decorate the ceiling, and it gives sleek look to the living area. Beautiful plants are planted here. Next we are moving to the elegantly designed dining area. Stylish table set used in this area. Wooden framed glass is used to separate this area from living room. Simple style ceiling along with spotlights also increase the beauty of this area. Near to this area we get a beautifully designed washing area with white color basin, mirror and storage cabin. There is also provided a common toilet. This is the prayer area. Moving on, we are entering the alluring family living area. All arrangements are eye-catching. The design of the TV unit is pretty appealing. This area is enhanced by the ceiling design. This is the most important part of this home, the prepossessing courtyard area. Here, arranged chairs and wooden swing for perfect gathering and relaxing. Totally this area designed as pretty as a picture. Next we will inspect the bedroom. Two amazing bedrooms are designed in ground floor. This is spacious bedroom with double cot bed, single cot bed, study table and wardrobe. This bedroom also includes a bathroom. The second bedroom is this one. A double cot bed, wooden wardrobe and lovely curtains are included in this bedroom. This bedroom also has an adjacent bathroom. We will inspect the kitchen next. This kitchen is tidy and has beautiful setups. Cabinets and wall tiling go well together. It is a spacious kitchen with all modern facilities. The first floor will be checked next. The upper living area has been brilliantly designed. The elegant sofa set, tea table and the stylish wooden swing are set up here. Here we get a beautiful view from the drawing room. There is a beautiful space exist. This area is set up with chairs, table and wooden cupboards. Ascending the stairs, we get a beautiful balcony area with more seating spaces. third bedroom is this one. It is a nicely made bedroom and the design of cot, closet, study table and other settings are exquisite. This bedroom also has an attached bathroom. This is the last bedroom. The color of curtains, wall and wardrobes are delightfully coordinated. This bedroom has an adjoining bathroom. Now we completely check this stunning home design. If you like this home tour, please share your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.